Taria mbere kuma riria maingirire ofisi-ini kiumia githiru makamishna ero a kamiti ya IEBC matongoretio ni muikariri giti wao Erastus Ethekon moigite ni mehariirie kuruta wira na wira wao wa mbere ugukorwo ari gutabania ithurano nini cia iturwa 23 iria ciatigirwo itari na atongoria.
We have one Senate position, I think in Baringo. We have 6 vacant seats for National Assembly. Members of Parliament, and we have 16 for members of county assemblies, MCS. We shall move with speed to redress that issue.
Ethekon oigite kamiti ino ni netwo kigena gia kuigana gutabania ithurano ici nini na megukorwo makianirira tariki cia gutabania ithurano ici mweri ukite.
Our secretariat has been working with Parliament and the National Treasury to secure the preparations and the budget for this budgetary allocation for the by-elections.
Ethekon no ahithuritie ati gukinyiria riu akenya kuma icigo inya cia ubunge na maikitie marua kuri kamiti ino makienda kuhamurithia abunge ao ona gutwika ndanagweta ni icigo iriko.
We currently have roughly 4. We will look at them once we go back to the office. So going forward, of course, it's the right of every Kenyan to exercise that right of recall under the Constitution.
Iguru rigiye gucerithirio kuingira ofisi-ini kwa makamishna aya, Ethekon oigite gutigukorwo na thina o wothe hari kuruta wira wao.
But more importantly, we also require the support of, let's say, Treasury, Parliament, and other key stakeholders to give us that support so that within the limited timelines, we can be able to execute our priorities and agenda and activities within the shortest time possible.
Ethekon oigite ati mweri ukite kamiti ino ni kanirira tariki cia wiyandikithia wa aikia a kura muikariri giti uyu akirira akenya ati ni mekuruta wira me hamwe hatari gutigana ta uria tuonire ithurano-ini thiru.
We wish to assure the public of the preparedness of the Commission to deliver inclusive, credible, transparent, and more importantly, peaceful elections.
Handu-ini ha Inooro TV kuma guku gicua-ini kaunti ya Mombasa, ni njitagwo Francis Madi.